Hello teens, I am Lucha Kuga. And I know what you are thinking. You are thinking, what a wonderful day to wake up and check in with Mr. Sergeant and see what his class is doing today. Well, I've had enough! Mr. Sergeant always walking around talking about how nice his hair looks. He puts a clip in it. Always telling you, oh, do you like my tie? Don't you think if you liked his tie, you would tell him? And he wouldn't have to ask you every day? What arrogance! So I've had it. I saw Mr. Sergeant. I saw him walking. I grabbed him. And I put him in a headlock. And I said, I'm gonna cut your hair, Mr. Sergeant. So instead I took my hand and I messed up his hair. And I even took the clip out and I threw it on the ground. So today, you don't get Mr. Sergeant. Today, you're going to get a lesson by Lucha Kuga. Now I'm sure Mr. Sergeant already told you all about a central angle. And I'm sure he told you that a central angle is the same as the intercepted arc. So this intercepted arc must also measure 58 degrees. Oh, big whoop, Mr. Sergeant. The values are the same. Anyone can teach that. But today, Lucha Kuga is here to teach you something new. I am here to teach you about an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle has a vertex that is on the circle. So notice this vertex is on the circle. So we have an inscribed angle that is angled P, S, R. Starting at P, down to S, all the way to R. This is the inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is always half the measure of the intercepted arc. So the intercepted arc measures 58 degrees. We divide 58 by 2 and we come up with 29 degrees. So the inscribed angle measures 29 degrees. It is half of the intercepted arc. Now we shall see another. Let's now suppose that the central angle measures 70 degrees. This means the intercepted arc is also 70 degrees. Mr. Sergeant taught that to you. Woo! Look who knows so much. Where did you park your patrol car, Dick Tracy? Now, Lucha Kuga is going to teach you about the inscribed angle. It is half of the intercepted arc. 70 divided by 2 is 35 degrees. So there is your inscribed angle. Today, you will complete a Google form and due to the instruction of Lucha Kuga, you will get every problem right. It will be due at the end of the week. Tune in next week and hopefully there will be no more Mr. Sergeant. Once again, I am Lucha Kuga. Whoo!